Alrighty, let's get this party started. This is our Hail Mary football number 16. This baby is sold out, giving away 2 spots in a Drew Lock, 9 mint auto select. Good luck. Six and a 4, 10 times, 10 times. Good luck. August T, what's going on? Hail Mary football number, what number is this? Number 16, holy. For the spots, good luck. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Mike and Michael R, congratulations. Alrighty, next up will be for the Drew Lock, 10 times, name at the top. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Andrew, and congratulations. Drew Lock coming at you, baby. Alrighty, giveaways complete. Rolling for the names, rolling for the teams. 7 boxes of football. Come right up. Actually, yep, 7 boxes. Here we go. 3 and a 5 for the 8. 8 times. Good luck. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Michael R at the top, Andrew N at the bottom. Eight times for the teams, 8 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Texans at the top, Giants at the bottom. I'll read everybody in between love for trades, and we have 7 boxes of football ready to go. Here we go. Michael R, Texans, Fiends, and the Jags. Tony G, Panthers, Broncos, or Tony G, Panthers. Mike M, Broncos. Robert V, Niners. Jose O, Lions. Raphael D, Vikes. Michael R, Seahawks. Michael C, Colts. Michael R, Titans. Donnell, Bears. Michael R, Bills and the Steelers. Deb G, Chiefs. Shade B, football team. Jose O, Chargers. Christopher B, Packers. Lauren M, Bucks. Deb G, Ravens. Michael R, Jets and the Stripes. Jordan G, Cardinals. Mike M, Eagles. Michael R, Rams. Patrick M, Saints. Thomas R, Patriots. Michael R, Falcons and the Cowboys. Donnell, Raiders. Michael C, Browns. And Andrew N with the Giants. Trading block is opened. No, Thomas R, we don't need to fill the basketball first. I was just saying that if the basketball were to fill while we're doing this break, I would do it next, but we're not going to waste time to try to fill it when the Grand Slam is sold out already. So if the above the rim basketball is not sold out, then we're going Grand Slam baseball. But if it is, I just said I would do the basketball, but no, we're not gonna waste any time trying to fill the above the rim when we have a break that's sold out. Sorry about that. Just getting to those questions there. Sorry about that, Thomas R. But yes, no, Grand Slam baseball will be going next unless above the rim sells out, which it does not look like it is at the moment. Broncos up a trade Vikes for the pack. Vikes for the pack. Is that what we're doing here? Yeah, no worries. Like I said, Thomas, I was just getting to some of those comments, so didn't want to leave you in the dust. Lions for the Broncos. What are we putting through? Packers? Christopher B has the Packers. And Raphael has the Vikes. I don't think Mike M, you have the Broncos. So wait, Broncos for the Lions, or what are we doing here? I'm confused, guys. Let me know if something went through. Okay, so nothing has gone through then. Alrighty, last call. Thank you guys, last call. No worries. Let's go. Too much talking, not enough trading, baby. Come on. Nothing. Alrighty then. Trading block is closed. Good luck, buddy. Let's go open these hybrid boxes here first. 2 boxes of Prism Hybrid. Good luck. 1 auto per box. Ham Kang for the Patriots. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Brownies. A little blue. I'll definitely keep up the chatter. Always here for the chatter, baby. That's what it's for. The chat is for the chatter. The chat is for the chatter. Red Darrell Henderson for the Los Angeles Rams. Cody Payne and Justin Fields for the Bears base. Uncle Rico. Matthew Stafford blue for the Kitties of Detroit. Dylan Moses and Tyson Campbell for the Jags. Both of them. All 3 of y'all's. Gotta be kidding me. Lamar Jackson. Rondale Moore, blue rookie for the Red Sea. Tyler Lockett for the Hogs. Silver Uncle Rico. Quarterback, Zach Wilson for the New York Jets. Base, but it's gorgeous. Quarterback, Trey Lance for the Niners. Base, but it's gorgeous. Chris Carlson for the Hogs. How about a T-Law, baby? Or bam, Silver Crusade for the Jags. Jacksonville Jaguars. Game 2. Michael R. Nice hit. Jeremiah Owosu Karamoa red disco for the Brownies rookie. Larry Fitzgerald. Keenan Allen for the Bolts blue. Chris Evans and a Mac Jones All-American 40. Patriots. Najee Harris All-Americans number to 49 for the Steelers. Here we go, Pitt. Or actually out of 50, excuse me, out of 50. Najee Harris. Tremendous. Azeez Ojulari, 3 pegs. And our auto is going to Cleveland. Demetric Felton. Disco rookie auto. Cleveland Brownies. Going to Michael C. T-Law base. Bateman. Feeling red for the Vikes. Devontae Smith, Blue Crusade for the Eagles. All right, box number 2. Then we'll go back to 2020. Derek Carr, silver for the Raiders. Former Fresno State Bulldog, DC. Trevor Lawrence, red, bam, All-American Jacksonville Jaguars. Going to Michael R. Holley. CEH blue for the Chiefs. Wow, Trey Lance blue, bam, for the Niners and Fran. Going to Robert V. Nice hit, beautiful box. Yes, sir, got a little rainbow. The silver was a Crusade, but still a silver and a red. Crusade base, Wilson for the Jets of New York. Quag for the Bolts. And a autograph for the Atlanta Falcons, Felipe Franks, Hot Atlanta. Going to Michael R., former Razorback. Former Gator. And now he's a Falcon. Gotta be kidding. Kadarius Toney and a Jamar Chase for the Stripes. Quarterback Jacob Eason for the Colts, red. Jamar Chase and a Freiermuth. Quarterback Phil Rivers for the Colts. No shade on the Crusade. One of my favorite inserts of all time. No shade at all. Bateman silver. Crusade for the Ravens. T-Law All-American base, but it's gorgeous for the Jags. Jacksonville. Ooh, pink, come on now. Pink for the Falcons. This man really loves this place. Holy bam, Atlanta. Kyle Pitts, number to 20. Going to Michael R. 4 out of 20. Holy. That is dirty. This man really loves this place. I can't blame him. Gotta be kidding me. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Tyreek Blue for the Chiefs. What a... Kyler Reed for the Red Sea. Kylan Hill for the Pack Blue rookie. Yeah, we've been pulling some really, really nice Kyle Pitts stuff. Real nice. Even some redemptions that didn't even see yet. Alrighty, we're going to select next. We got blasters or one blaster, one mega box. Tim Patrick, team color field level for the Broncos, rookie. I think these are numbered. Brett Favre and an Alex Smith premier for the football team. Troy Polamalu. Diggsy. Club level for the Bills of Buffalo. And a Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. There we go, Philly. Blue checkerboard, concourse. DeAndre Swift for the Motor City. Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. Certified CD's Lambs. Tampa Bay. James Morgan for the Jets, orange. And Isaiah Wilson, tighten up, baby blue, rookie. Darnell Mooney, club level, or actually premier level, excuse me, for the Bears, 2 packs. EZE for them boys. Jalen Rack. Chubb and a Brian Edwards, blue checkerboard rookie for the Las Vegas Raiders. And a Ruggs base. Mega box. Looking for our reds, and I believe we can get our bronze in here as well. J.J. Watt for the Houston Texans. Show me the money, red on red for the Chiefs. Bam, concourse. That is dirty. Little red, tremendous. Vrabel silver for the Patriots, club level. Cole Kmet field base for the Bears. James Morgan. L'Jarius Sneed for the Chiefs. Red on red rookie. Carson Wentz. Silver for the Eagles. Concourse. Nick Bosa for the Niners. Jeff Akuda for the Kitties. Quintez Cephas for the Kitties. Select certified Chase Young for the football team. KJ Hamler. Chiefs. Yes, Deb G. Did I say Michael R? Sorry about that. Deb G's got the Chiefs. Quag for the Bolts. Justin Herbert. Patrick Willis for the Niners out of Auburn University. Should be a Hall of Famer if you ask me. Uche 355 bronze field for the Patriots. Brandon Ayuk club level base for the Niners. Patty Mahomes for the Chiefs. Bradley Chubb, right? Adam Thielen for the Vikes. Lamar Jackson, red field for the Ravens of Baltimore. Select certified Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. There we go, 50. That's a rookie, baby. Showed is. Still do not understand that Gardner Minshew trade. Makes absolutely no sense to me. If you're asking me, I know nobody is. I know nobody is, but it doesn't make no sense to me. T. Higgins. T. Higgins for the Stripes. TD Unbreakable Silver for the Broncos out of Georgia, baby. Gabriel Davis. King Henry. Jay Jetters for the Vikes. Bam! Red club level rookie. There we go, Minnesota. Alvin Kamara for the Saints and a Cortland Sutton. Michael Evans for the Bucks. Nice one there. For the Green Bay Packers, number to 355, Roger Dance. Oh, bang. Premier level, Aaron Rodgers for the Pack. Number to 355. 12 out of 355 jersey number, holy. Diggsy, last pack. Jerry Jody. And another Sneed for the Chiefs. Red. LaDainian Tomlinson and an AdMac for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Select Mega Box complete. Leave Flash next. Flash. Then we're going certified. Good luck. Alrighty, here we go. First up for the Carolina Panthers, Chuba Hubbard. Carolina. Going to Tony G. That's number to 50 with a Chuba. Next up for the Titans, Brady White, Tennessee. Going to Michael R. Next up for the Brownies, Flash Photography. Number to 75, Demetric Felton, Cleveland. Going to Brownies. Oh, where we at? Cleveland going to Michael C. Next up for the Jags, Towson Campbell, Jacksonville. Going to Michael R. And last but not least, quarterback for the Patriots, Mac Jones, New England. Going to Thomas R. Nice hit with a Big Mac. Easy with that knife there, Sonny. Alrighty, first up, hook 'em baby for the Colts to 35, Sam Ellinger. Get better, buddy, Indianapolis. Going to Michael C. Next up for the Brownies, flash forward. Number 75, Anthony Schwartz, Cleveland. Going to Michael C. Next up for the Stripes, another flash photography, Chris Evans, Cincinnati. Going to Michael R. Next up for the Jets, Michael Carter, New York. Going to Michael R. And last but not least for the Jags, Travis Etienne. That is a flash base, Jacksonville Jaguars. Going to Michael R. Last box, quick recap, and then we have Grand Slam Baseball coming up next. 13 spots left in the Above the Rim Basketball. Anything that fills tonight breaks tonight. Mixer 40 for the rest of the night. 40% off. Mixer 40. CMC 149 for the Panthers of Carolina. Robbie Anderson. Diggsy. Robbie Anderson, 249 for the Panthers. DC for the Vikes. Joe Mixon for the Stripes. Got a ding left corner on that one, just a base card. Sorry about that. And for the New York Football Giants, piece of the game, 249, Darius Slayton, New York. Going to Andrew M. Gold team, Patty Mahomes. Got a thickie. Oh, baby, we got a thickie, and that thing looks like it could be a little something. Something. Come on now for the Jags. Towson Campbell. Bronze rookie auto to 50, Jacksonville. Going to Michael R. with a Towson Campbell. All sorts of thick. My God. Way too thick, baby. Come on, eh? Brandon Ayuk, 2021 for the Niners. DK Metcalf. Jalen Waddle, 99. Bam. Fins up, baby. 99 out of 99. It's the last one ever. There we go, Dolphins. What a Waddle. Nuke Hopkins for the Red Sea, red to 99, Stars. Calling the field unnecessary thickness, I agree. All sorts of thick for no reason. Get out of here. DJ Chalk Jr. for the Jags. And a quarterback, Kyle Trask for the Bucks. Bam, 199, Tampa. Going to Lauren M. Nice hit. George Kittle, Stars for the Niners. Ooh, redemption for a valued collector. What is this? Well, bam. Najee Harris, freshman fabric mirror signatures. For the Steelers of Pittsburgh. Going to Michael R. Bam. That's the freshman fabric, so that should be the RPA. Nice hit. Holy punching my camera? What's wrong with you, Sonny D? Hey, listen, all right? DC for the Vikes. And I think this should be our last relic. For the Red Sea out of Purdue, Rondale Moore, bronze to 249, Arizona. Going to Jordan G. For the Red Sea. DK Metcalf for the Hawks. 2 packs. Grand Slam Baseball coming up next. Roger that. CD's Lambs for them boys. 199. Saquon Barkley, Quack, and a Jonnu Smith last pack. T-Law, number to 399. What is going on here? Jacksonville. Going to Michael R. What a way to end it with a T-Law, baby. Rookie. Quarterback, Josh Allen. And a kid reported that is the break. Here is a recap. $249, Rondale Moore. $249, Slayton, J. Jettis, T. Higgins, Jalen Hurts, Blue Power, Blue Checkerboard, whatever you want to call it for the Eagles. Nice one there. Devontae Smith, Najee Harris to 50. And the autos and short prints. Najee Harris, RPA for the Steelers of Pittsburgh. Kyle Trask, 199. Waddle, 99. Beautiful box is certified. Holy. Campbell to 50. ETN, Carter, Evans, Schwartz, Ellinger, Campbell, Felton, White, and a Chuba. Roger that to 355 for the pack. Show me the money, red on red. Numbered to 20, Cal Pitts. Bam, for the Dirty Birds. Felipe Franks, Trey Lance Blue for the Niners. Let's just do this. Demetric Felton, Disco Auto for the Brownies. Quarterback for the Patriots. Well, bam, Mac Jones. We have a silver Trevor Lawrence, Crusade for the Jags. We have a red disco Trevor Lawrence, All-American for the Jags. And last but not least, number 399, T-Law, baby, for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Congratulations, everybody. That wraps up the Hail Mary football mix number 7. Actually, number 16. We have Grand Slam Baseball coming up next.